Is it morning? What time is it right now? Hey guys. Hello, hello, hello. Say hi. Bobby, what time is it? Let me see your iPad. Let's see. It is 12:47. Good afternoon, everybody. Say good afternoon, Bobby. So we're doing a family photo shoot, but I wanted to jump on and say good afternoon and bring my niece on. Where is she? Say hi, Bobby.
Hi.
So talk about my products. Do you like my products?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
The oil.
The oil is your favorite product? Do you remember the name of the oil?
Tati's oil.
Tati's oil, that's what you call it? Hi, how are you? So we're doing a family photo shoot and I decided to jump on live. I know I'm horrible about giving notification ahead of time, so I just let people come on and watch on the replay. So, Bobby, what were you saying about my oil? How are you?
It's called Tati oil.
So you call it Tati's oil. Guys, I think I need to rename my oil because she calls it Tati oil. I should have had my iPad to do this on Facebook too. So what is it that you like about my oil?
Because it's soft when you touch it.
It's soft when you touch it?
Yeah, and the bottle's soft when you touch the
And the bottle's soft? So that's what you like about it? Does it make your body feel good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this kid.
What?
Okay. It makes your body feel good, Bobby?
Yeah.
So how does your body feel when you put it on? You said the body,
It's comfy.
It's comfy. So the body, guys, she's talking about my body oil. She is, how old are you?
4.
Bobby L is 4 years old and she's been using my body oil since you were,
3.
I think you were younger than that.
2.
2, maybe about 2, maybe even 1, because if you're 4 and my business is gonna be 4 years old, you've probably been using it since you were a baby. So she loves the body oil, so I just wanted to bring her on and share her testimony. What else about my products do you like? There's something else you really, really like. What is it?
Lotion.
No, I mean you really like it. We even make it together.
Bath bomb.
Bath bombs. You love your bath bombs, huh? So what are we gonna do for Christmas probably?
Make colorful oil.
You did ask me to make you some colorful oil, right?
Yeah.
But are we gonna use food coloring?
Yeah.
No food coloring, Bobby.
And paint.
Oh Lord, can you imagine paint being in my oils? No, that's not good for your skin. How about we use some herbs and clays and powders?
Okay.
So we could do an experiment together, okay? And try to put some clays or powders in oil and see what it would look like. I'm thinking spinach would probably give the oil a little pretty green. What do you think? What color is spinach?
What color? Spinach. Pink.
Spinach, Bobby? What color is spinach?
Green.
Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, you scared me. I was gonna say, you don't know the color of spinach? Okay, it's green. So that's what we'll do. You have to remind me because I'm good for saying stuff and forgetting, okay? So guys, for over the Christmas holidays, we're gonna make a body oil with spinach in it and experiment, right, Bobby?
Yeah.
And she loves to make bath bombs.
I want to make a rainbow bath bomb.
So maybe we could that would be a good live stream, huh? To make a bath bomb live. So guys, I'm the type of auntie that I don't do gifts because these kids have a ton of gifts. So since I know what they like and they love bath bombs, I think it's so much more meaningful for me to sit with them during the holidays and make products together. So last year we made some really nice bath bombs. Do you remember what we made?
Star bath.
We made a star bath bomb. We made a teddy bear bath bomb. We made a cross bath bomb.
What's cross?
A cross that looks like a T. We made what do you call the Stop, Damar. What do you call that show? Stop, Damar. What do you call that show that they have now?
Friday?
No, the bath bombs we made that were blue.
I don't know.
From movie Frozen.
Frozen. Yes, we made frozen bath bombs. So I think we probably do that. Find some time this holiday season and do that together again, and maybe even do it live. So hopefully.
But you know that some bathroom that I see on YouTube, there's toys inside it.
Yes, that's called the surprise bath bombs. Maybe we could try that. I need to refresh my skills on bath bombs. It's been a while. So guys, I just wanted to jump on real quick, say hi. Those of you that have registered for my VIP access drawing, I announced all the winners last night. Guys, I'm trying to talk. I announced all the winners last night at 9:30 p.m. So you have 24 hours to do your shopping, and it ends at 9:30 p.m. tonight. And yeah, so happy shopping. If you have any questions, drop a line in my DM, or if you've gotten the, well, you should have eaten.
What's my water?
If you got your emails, all you got to do is reply to your emails. A lot of people reached out to me and asked me questions as they were adding things to their shopping cart to make sure that they're buying the right products for their skin or their family skin. I have some of you guys that are die-hard Donata skin foodies, and you guys really went all out and stocked up for the year, I want to say. So I love it. I love it. I love it. Just stay tuned. I have some stuff I mentioned already that I want to do with the wish list. So I'll probably announce that next week. So those of you that have already gone to my website, and whether you're buying products for Black Friday or not, definitely add a few things to a wish list. Hold on, guys. Definitely add a few things that you want, that you would wish to have from Donata Skin Food. And I'm thinking about maybe doing a drawing from the wish list and granting a few people some holiday gifts. So I love the holidays. I love to give. I love to share. I love to pay it forward. So I may be doing that for the holidays. My website is up. I'm still working on it. There's a few pictures I want to change, so that's why I haven't done a big announcement of the website. But my website is up. There's no more Etsy. There's no more PayPal. There's no more calling me for orders. There's no more texting me for orders. There's no more emailing me for orders. All orders are processed through the website or physically at the farmer's market.
Star circles.
Honey.
Star.
Bobby.
Circle.
Bobby. I'm on live stream. They can hear you and you're so loud. Say sorry.
Sorry.
So, yes, hey, how are you? So I just wanted to jump on and share what's going on. And again, the VIP access drawing winners ends at 9:30 tonight. So, Breon, how are you? It's been a while since I've seen you. Hope all is well. So definitely don't miss the 9:30 cutoff time.
Mommy.
It's 9:30 Eastern. Maybe I need to make that. Yeah, that's important because somebody may think it's 9:30 their time. It's 9:30 Eastern Standard Time that the VIP access drawing winners, their VIP pass cuts off. The code cuts off at 9:30 tonight. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're watching on the replay and you have any questions, just shoot me a DM. Thank you. Say bye, Bobby.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Bye.